like 1448. All right, let's go on 3 and 4. 3 and 4 get a little bit more tricky. Same concept, we're not doing any different. But what do you notice about number 3 that is different from 1 and 2?
There's an x equals.
There's an x equals. But does an x equal really make a difference? No, it's the same thing. The order doesn't matter. Yeah, JT, what's up?
There's a 4y in the x equals.
There's a 4y in the x equals. Okay, okay.
I mean, yeah.
All right, so it's telling us what x is. Are we okay with that? With it telling us what x is, which one do you think that we should substitute in for? Probably the x. It's just my personal opinion.
You don't know. We're just gonna guess.
I'm going to put my parentheses on there, my handlebars. Okay? I'm going to rewrite the problem as 2 parentheses 4y plus 7 parentheses minus 6y equals 12. All right, what I'd like you to do is be bold for a second. I want you to try to solve this one. All I want you to do is just solve for y. Just solve for y, and then I'll catch you up. I've set it up. Now you solve for y. I've set it up. You solve for y. Let's see what happens. Connor, what'd you get?
Oh, y equals -1.
Do we agree?
Yeah.
Okay. So am I okay to skip solving it out and just leave it as y equals -1?
I got a different answer.
What'd you get then?
I got -6.
Okay. Well, let's work it out then. The majority of the class said -1, but no stone unturned. We're gonna have 8y plus 14 minus 6y equals 12. It's going to give me 2y plus 14 equals 12. Minus 14 minus 14, 2y equals -2. Divide both of those, y equals -1.
I did simple multiplication wrong.
Okay,
6
okay.
instead of 8y.
How would we make that order?
How do we make that an ordered pair? Well, we know that y equals -1. So what we're going to do is we're going to take x, which is equal to 4y plus 7. And we're going to substitute that -1 into y. So now we're going to have x is equal to 4 times the -1 plus 7. Are we good there? 4 times the -1 is -4 plus 7. X equals +3. So my ordered pair is 3, -1.
Do we have to like put it as an ordered pair like homework? Just solve?
Yeah, I want them in ordered pairs today. On the test that you guys will take, sometimes it will say, it'll say that, sorry, I'm getting sidetracked here. It'll only ask for one particular variable, and if you're only looking for that one particular variable, then that is your choice, or that's how you're going to solve it. But if it's not asking for that, I'm going to ask for both because it's more intentional, it's more purposeful. Okay? All right, cool. What do we know is different about number 4? What do we know is different about number 4? Colin, what do you notice?
It's equal to a number.
It's okay, yeah. How is it different from number 3? Or number 2 or number 1? Hayden?
Instead of just outright giving us that x is equal to some number, we
Yeah.
solved the equation before.
this problem is telling you x is equals to 2. Before this it said y equals, right? This one, however, it's not giving you that. But I'm just asking, what have we been doing with slope-intercept form this entire year? We've been trying to convert point slope and standard form to get y by itself. So can't we do the same up here with that? Can't I get y by itself? It doesn't matter which equation you choose. Since y is already by itself here, I'm going to go ahead and just pick that one. What I mean by that is I'm going to look at this 2x plus y equals 9. And how do I get y by itself? What would I have to do? Hayden,
Subtract 2x.
I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. So now I've got y is equal to negative 2x plus 9. Are we okay with that?
Wait.
Yeah, what's up?
Are we doing the top or the bottom? Because if it was the top, it'd be negative 3.
Well, Connor, which equation did I write to the side, the top or the bottom?
Oh.
Doesn't matter which one you choose, but for me, y is already by itself right here. So that's one less I don't have to divide now. And again, like Hayden said earlier, nobody likes fractions. We're good with that? Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to literally replace this with y equals negative 2x plus 9. Y equals negative 2x plus 9. Okay? Then, we're going to solve it like we've just done. So I'll take this first equation, 2x minus 3, and replace it with negative 2x plus 9 equals 11. We're okay with that? Okay, now solve it. Solve for x for me there. Solve for x and then go ahead and solve for y. Solve for x and then go ahead and solve for y. What's up, Brian? 4.75 is what you got? Okay, JT, what'd you get? Negative 2. Zanny?
I have a question.
What's up?
If you multiply a negative with a negative in the parenthesis, would it stay negative or be a
It's
positive?
gonna become positive.
Okay.
Got 3.5. Am I able to skip that? Did I do my math wrong?
I think you're
You
supposed to
I
go.
got 4.75.
It's 30. I got 4. I got
4.75.
You put 20 instead of 38. I got 9. Oh.
It's
Plus
38.
27.
It's 38 because you're adding 27.
Hey, whoa, wait. Hey, too many people. Carter, go ahead.
I think you got 20 instead of 38 because 27.
Yeah, correct. So if I erase that, thank you, sir. 38. Divide that by 8, it's going to give me 4, which is 32. Okay? And then it goes in there, 4.75. Everybody see how that worked? My apologies on that. That's my bad. Okay? And then from there, we're going to take the x value, we're going to plug it in for our y one. So y equals negative 2, parentheses 4.75 plus 9. Negative 2 times 4.75, I don't know off the top of my head, but we have a calculator. What is it?
9.5.
9.5.
Negative 9.5.
So y equals negative 9.5 plus 9. So y is going to end up equaling negative 0.5. You're okay with that? Yes, no, maybe? Cool. All right, let's talk about how do we check these. How do we check these? How do I want to introduce this? Okay, here we go. I'm just going to go for it. Do we agree that we can convert any of these equations to y equals? Well, this one's already in y equals, right? Can this one be converted to y equals? Convert that one to y equals for me. Okay, so we have two y equals equations now, right? All right, go to your calculator. Then go to your y equals spot. And input both of those equations. You're going to put in y equals 2 over 3x minus 3 2/3, or you can put minus 3.66666666, put like 4 or 5 of them. What's up, Ryan?
How do we put in fractions?
Put a division sign.
Um,
And then for your other one, you're going to put y equals negative 2x plus 9. Then hit graph once you're finished with that. And then when you graph them, where do they intersect at? Do what? Doesn't matter. You're just putting these two in, and then you're going to graph them. Does it cross at that point? Negative, or I'm sorry, 4.75 and negative 0.5? No, yes? It should. All right, here's what we're going to do. Tonight, there are 20 questions for homework. I'm not going to make you do all 20. I don't think we got enough confidence in that. I want you to do 1 through 10. Do you understand? Do 1 through 10. I don't want to hear, hey, I didn't know how to do it. I understand you don't know how to do it. That's why I'm cutting it in half.